Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can apply the perfect screen protector to your brand new iPhone 17. This works with other phones as well. And here is my screen protector gear, I don't need the patch installation cleaning kit because I've already cleaned my iPhone. I'm going to take this ring and place it around the outside of my phone. I'm going to press down on the positioning frame, amazing. I'm going to peel off. Going to push it all the way up to the top over the frame, and then I'm going to press it down. I'm going to hold my finger pressing it down and wait for all of these bubbles to disappear. So here we can see there are indeed a few bubbles on this screen protector. There you can see them. To fix that, I'm going to gently lift up from one corner the screen protector all the way till I hit those bubbles, all the way till I get all of those bubbles. There they are. And now I'm going to watch it go down again. I'm going to give it a good helping hand. I'm going to squeeze out all of that air. And now what you'll find is at the bottom, the screen protector is perfect, those bubbles have gone away. Just at the top there, we're slightly missing a trick. Same thing again, slightly peel it away. Perfect, much better. And then at the top left hand corner, and push it in. Every time you end up with the perfect screen protector with no bubbles. I hope this has helped you out. It's this screen protector hack for no bubbles in 2026 and onwards. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.